I saw you, I was lost and found myself there in you. I want you every day to have a coffee with to cuddle. And if you want, I'll get mad in church and give myself to you on a platter. It won't be long, okay? Come here and kiss me for everyone to see. That we were already together before we were born, because it was you that God chose for me. It was you that God chose to be, because it had to be. That God chose for me. It was you that God chose to be.